Welcome back to our math channel, Math Bridges Fun with Math. In this video, let's expand and simplify linear binomials. We will see an easy method to multiply the linear binomials. Let's see the easy method to simplify x plus 4 into x plus 3. Let's start. You have to draw a grid like this as given over here. First one x plus 4, write x here, outer side, and 4 here. Now come down here, x plus 3, x here, and we'll write 3 here. Now, so how to do this now? Multiply this 2, x into x. We'll write the answer in the middle here, in between x square. Now, let's multiply 4 into 3. Answer we will write it over here. It's 12. Now let's multiply x into 4 or 4 into x. It is 4x. We are writing the answer over here. Now the leftover thing, whatever it is, the down one, it is x into 3 or 3 into x, it is 3x. It's done. So in the middle, what do we get now? Whatever here, this 4x and 3x, you add it now. 4x plus 3x, it is 7x. That's it. So our answer is x squared plus 7x plus 12. So it's very easy. You can draw the grid like this and you can find the multiplication of the given binomials. Let's multiply x minus 8 into x plus 5. You can draw the grid as given over here. Now first one, x minus 8, x here and minus 8. See here we are considering the sign also whatever has been given because it's minus. Next x plus 5, x here and plus 5 here. So whatever the in between place here in between this, here we will be writing the answer. So let's start. X into x, it is x square, we'll write it over here. Now minus 8 into 5. 5 8s are 40 and minus is there. Minus into plus is minus, so it is minus 40. Now x into minus 8. Signs are very important. Don't forget the signs. X into minus 8 or minus 8 into x. It is minus 8x. Here 5 into x. So it is 5x. So in the middle, what do we do now? Add this both the numbers. So minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3x. Therefore, the answer is x square minus 3x minus 40. It's very easy. You can take many more problems and you can try it on your own. Give it a try. I gave few problems over here. You can multiply these binomials and get the answer by using this grid method. And it can be taken as an activity also. Like you can draw the grid and find the product. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math, and do share it with your friends. If you have any suggestions or any particular topic you want the videos to be done, do share your suggestions in the comment box. I try my level best to do the videos. Thank you everyone for watching the video.